Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system. This is your math lecture. Today we are going to do unit number 1 and the matrix and determinants. Exercise number 1.1. Find the order of the following. A equal to 3 minus 5 6. Order of the matrix. The number of rows and columns in a matrix specifies in its order. And the second 2035 matrix number 1. Matrix has a rows. Matrix has 2 row and 2 columns. So it order number of rows multiplied by number of column 2 by 2. Answer number 2. Matrix B has 2 rows and 2 columns. So its order number of rows multiply number of columns 2 by 2. Matrix C has 1 row and 2 columns. So its order number of rows multiply by number of column 1 by 2. Matrix D has 3 rows and 1 column. So its order number of rows multiply by number of column 3 by 1. Matrix E has 3 rows and 2 columns. 3 rows and 2 columns 3 by 2. And the 6th value matrix F has 1 row and 1 column. So its order number of rows multiplied by number of column 1 by 1. Matrix G has 3 rows and 3 columns. So its order number of rows multiplied by number of columns 3 by 3. Matrix A has 2 rows and 3 columns. So its order number of rows multiplied by number of columns 2 by 3. Which of the following matrices are equal? 3 matrices are said to be equal if they are of same order, their corresponding values are equal. So according to this definition, matrix A and C are equal, A equal C. Matrix B and I are equal, B equal I. Matrix E, H and J are equal, E equal H, H equal J. And matrix F and G are equal, F equal G are the equal matrix. Question number 3. Find the value of A, B, C and D which satisfy matrix equation. A plus C, A plus 2B, C minus 1, 4D minus 6, 0 minus 7. A plus C equals 0. A plus 2B, A plus C, A plus 2B, C minus 1, 4D minus 6 equals 0 minus 7, 3 equal to 2D. By comparing the corresponding elements, A plus C equals 0, A equal minus C, A plus 2B equal minus 7, 2B equal minus A plus 7, C plus 1 equal C minus 1 equal 3, C equal 3 plus 1, C equal 4. By putting the value of C in equation 1, we get the answer A equal minus 4. By putting the value of C in equation 2, we will get the answer 2B minus 4 plus 7, 2B minus 4 minus 3, 3 over 2, B equal minus 1.5. 4D minus 6 equal 2D. 4D minus 6 equal 2D. 4D plus 2D equal 6. 2D, 4D minus 2D equal 2D equal 6. 2D, 2 is multiply, इस साइड पर आकर डिवाइड हो जाएगा, 2 3 6, D equal 3. From equation 3, 4, 5 and 6 we get the answer A equal minus 4, B equal minus 1.5, C equal 4 and D equal 3. Next exercise, exercise 1.2. From the following matrix, identify the units matrix, row matrix, column matrix and null matrix. A 0 0 and the B value 2 3 4. Z column matrix में 4 0 6, D 1 0 0 6 square matrix. E equals null matrix 0. F equal 5 6 7 rectangular matrix. Matrix A is null matrix, matrix B is row matrix, matrix C is column matrix, matrix D is diagonal matrix. Matrix E is null matrix because all elements is 0. Matrix F is a column of matrix because it has only one column. Question number 2. From the following matrix, identify square matrix, rectangular matrix, row matrix, column matrix, identity matrix, null matrix. The solution of 1 1 value minus 8, 2, 7, 12, 0, 4, 3, 4 and 8 are square matrix because the number of rows are equal to number of column. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7 and 9 are rectangular matrix because their rows and columns are not equal. Number 6 is row matrix because it has only one row, and number 2 and number 7 are column matrix because they have only one column. Number 4 is an identity matrix as well because its diagonal elements are 1. Number 9 is a null matrix because its each identity is 0. From the following matrix, identify the diagonal, scalar and unity matrix. Matrix A is scalar matrix, matrix B is diagonal matrix because its diagonal identities are non-zero and non-diagonal. Matrix C is an identity matrix because its diagonal entities are 1. Matrix D is a diagonal matrix because its one diagonal identity is non-zero and non-diagonal entities are 0. Matrix E is a scalar matrix because its diagonal entities are same. And the next question, question number 4, find negative of matrix A, B, C, D and E when the value of negative of a matrix is obtained by inverting, changing the sign of all entities. A equal 1 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus 0 0 1. हर वैल्यू के साथ जो है जब आप नेगेटिव फाइंड करेंगे तो उसका साइन चेंज कर देंगे. सी इक्वल है -2 -6 -3 -2. ओके क्लास. एंड डी इक्वल -3 2 -4 5 है, -1 +3 -2 +4 -6 वैल्यू. ओके. एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, find the transpose of each of the following 0 1 -2 b equal 5 1 -6 and C transpose of the matrix is obtained by the converting all columns that the matter to rows and rows all the columns. कॉलम को आप रोज में चेंज कर दें या और रोज को कॉलम्स में चेंज कर देंगे तो आपका ट्रांसपोज फाइंड हो जाएगा. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस डेफिनेशन A ट्रांसपोज 0 1 -2 कॉलम मैट्रिक्स है, इसको आप कन्वर्टेड इनटू रोज मैट्रिक्स 0 1 -2. B इक्वल टू रोज मैट्रिक्स है, कन्वर्ट इनटू कॉलम मैट्रिक्स 5 1 -6. convert the value, convert the matrix rows into column and columns into rows. That will be answer transpose of the matrix. Next question, question number 6, verify that A if equal 1 2 0 1 b equal 1 1 2 0 then the value of A transpose whole transpose equal A. To prove A transpose whole transpose equal A 1 2 0 1 and 1 0 2 1. टेकिंग ट्रांसपोज A ट्रांसपोज 1 2 0 1 ट्रांसपोज ले 1 2 1 2, ये आपका रोज में है, इसको कॉलम में कर दिया. 0 1 आपका रोज में, इसको कॉलम में कर. टेकिंग ट्रांसपोज A ट्रांसपोज वी गेट द आंसर 1 2 0 1. अब जब दोबारा जब इसका रिपीट हम इसका ट्रांसपोज लेंगे, ट्रांसपोज का होल ट्रांसपोज, तो हमारे पास 1 2 0 1 एज इट इज वैल्यू इक्वल टू A आ जाएगी. सेकेंड पार्ट एज इट इज. And the next exercise, exercise number 1.3, which of the following matrix are confirmable for addition? A equal 2 1 minus 1 3, B equal 3 1, C equal 1 2 1 0 minus 1 2. Solution: matrix of some order are confirmable for addition. So according to this definition, matrix A and matrix E are confirmable for addition because have order 2 by 2. मैट्रिक्स बी एंड डी आर कंफर्मेबल फॉर एडिशन, ये एडिशन हो सकते हैं, इनको ऐड कर सकते हैं बिकॉज बोथ हैव ऑर्डर्ड बाय वन बाय वन. मैट्रिक्स सी एंड एफ आर कंफर्मेबल फॉर एडिशन बिकॉज बोथ हैव ऑर्डर्ड 3 by 2. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एक्सरसाइज 1.3, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, फाइंड द एडिटिव इनवर्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग 2 4 -2 1 एंड द लास्ट वैल्यू f3 square root 1 -1 2 square root. The additive inverse of a matrix is obtained by changing the sign of the each entity. So according to this definition, additive inverse A minus A equal -2 -4 2 -1. Additive inverse of B minus B -1 0 1 -2 1 -3 -3 2 -1. Additive inverse of C -4 2. Additive inverse of D -1 0 3 2 -2 -1. एडिटिव इनवर्स ऑफ ई माइनस 1 0। आप एडिटिव जब करना होगा तो हर वैल्यू के साथ आप जो है उसके साथ सब्ट्रैक्ट का माइनस का साइन जो है वो आप पुट करेंगे, और उस साइन को आप होल वैल्यू से ऑल वैल्यूज के साथ आप उसे मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, माइनस प्लस में चेंज हो जाएगा एंड प्लस इनटू कन्वर्ट इनटू माइनस में चेंज हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, a the value of a b c and d, g c plus minus 2 1 3 1 minus 1 2 plus minus 2 1 3 1 plus minus 1 1 plus minus 1 and minus 1 plus 1 2 plus 3 minus 1 plus 0 minus 1 plus 1 0 and 2 plus 3 equal 5, c plus minus 2 1 3 equal minus 1 0 5, d equal 0 1 2 0 2 0 1 1 2 3 minus 1 0 2 plus 0 1 0 2 0 1 1 plus 0 2 plus 1 1 plus 0 2 plus 1 and 3 plus 0 and minus 1 plus 2 0 plus 0 and 1 plus 2 plus 1. The value of 1 3 1 plus 0 1 2 plus 1 3 3 plus 0 3 minus 1 plus 2 1 and 0 plus 0 0 2 plus 1 equal 3. So d is the, as it is part d 0 1 1 0 2 0 1 1 3 3 1 0 3, and this part of 3d 3 multiplied by d, and the 7 part minus 2c minus 2, the value of c 1 minus 1 2, the value of minus 2 multiply 1 minus 2 multiply 1 minus 1 minus 2 multiply by 2, 2 1s are 2 minus 2 minus minus plus 2 1s are 2 plus 2 and plus minus minus 2 2s are 4, the value of minus 2 2 minus 4 3d 3 multiply by value of d 1 2 3 minus 1 0 2 3 multiply by 1 3 multiply by 2 3 multiply by 3 3 multiply minus 1 3 multiply by 0 3 multiply by 2, 3 1s are 3 3 2s are 6 3 3s are 9 3 1s are 3 plus minus minus 3 1s are 3 3 0 0 and 3 2s are 6 3 6 9 minus 3 0 6. Next question number 4, perform the indicated operations and simplify the following: 1 0 0 1 plus 0 2 3 0 plus 1 0 1 1 1 and 1 0 1 plus 0 plus 1 0 plus 2 plus 1 0 plus 3 plus 1 1 plus 0 plus 0 and 2 3 4 1 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 1 value and 0 1 2 1 1 1 and 2 2 and 2 and 3 3 3 value 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 plus 2 सारी value 0 plus 3 1 plus 3 2 plus 3, the will answer 1 plus 1 2 2 plus 1 3 3 plus 1 4 minus 1 plus 2 1 minus 1 plus 2 1 and minus 1 plus 2 1 0 plus 3 equal 3 1 plus 3 equal 4 and 2 plus 3 equal 5. And the next question 5 part is the same as it is part number 1 and part number 4. Next question, question number 5, for the matrix A 1 2 3 2 3 1 0 2 minus 1 b equal 1 minus 1 1 2 minus 2 2 3 1 3 and C part minus 1 0 minus 1 0 0 minus 2 3 1 1 and 2, a plus c equal c plus a, left hand side equal a plus c 1 2 3 2 3 1 0 2 minus 1 plus minus 1 0 0 0 minus 2 3 1 1 2 1 plus minus 1 2 plus 0 3 plus 0 2 plus 0 3 plus minus 2 1 plus 3 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 and 0 plus 2. When we add these number plus minus minus plus 1 minus 1 0 2 plus 0 2 3 plus 0 3 2 plus 0, we add the numbers, we get the answer 2 3 plus minus minus 3 minus 2 equal to 1 1 plus 3 equal, when we add these number we get the answer 4 1 plus 1 equal 2 minus 1 plus 1, the value of minus and the value of plus, subtract the value and the addition of the value, the answer will be 0 and 0 plus 2 equal to 2. सेम एज इट इज सी प्लस ए, आपकी राइट हैंड साइड जो होगी इस तरह ही आप इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, 1 2 3 2 3 1 0 2 minus 1 and b value 1 minus 1 1 2 minus 2 2 3 1 3 minus 1 0 0 0 minus 2 1 1 and 2, c minus b plus a equals c plus a minus b. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करेंगे, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड c माइनस बी, द वैल्यू ऑफ c माइनस बी, 1 माइनस 1 0 माइनस माइनस 1 0 माइनस 1 0 माइनस 2 माइनस माइनस प्लस and the value 3 minus 2 and the value 1 minus 3 1 minus 1 2 minus 3 minus 2 1 minus 1 minus 2 0 plus 1 minus 2 0 minus 1 plus 1 2 3 2 3 1 1 minus 1 0 and minus 2 plus 1 1 plus 2 minus 1 plus 3 minus 2 plus 2 0 plus 3 1 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 0 plus minus minus and minus 1 3 2 0 3 2 minus 1 and minus 1 same as it is right hand side, hence prove that left hand side equal to right hand side. Next question, question number 6, 2a plus b, a plus b, as it is question number 5, part number 1 2 3 and part number 5. Next part number 10, 2a plus 2b equal to होल इंटू ए प्लस बी, 2a मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2b, a की वैल्यू को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 2 है 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 2 3 जा 6, 2 2 जा 4, 2 3 जा 6, 2 1 जा 2, 2 0 0, 2 2 जा 4, 2 1 जा 2 माइनस 2, ये वैल्यू आपके पास आ जाएगी प्लस 2b। अब 2 को b वैल्यू से 2 1 जा 2, 2 1 जा 2 minus 2 and 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 2 2 जा 4 minus 4 and 2 1 जा 2, 2 3 जा 6, 2 1 जा 2 and 2 3 6 2 6. The value of 2 plus 2, 4 minus 2, 6 plus 2, 4 plus 4, 6 minus 4, 2 plus 4, 2 plus 6, minus 2 plus 2 and 0 plus 6. Answer will be 4 2 8 8 2 6 8 0 6 and the right hand side as it is 4 2 8 8 2 6 8 0 6, hence prove that left hand side equal to right hand side. Next question, question number 6, if a equal 1 minus 2 3 4 and b equal to 0 7 minus 3 8 3a minus 2b, as it is the value of a multiplied by 3 and the value of b multiplied by 2, 3 3 the 9, 3 2 the 6, 3 3 the 9, 3 4 the 12, 2 0 0, 2 7 the 14, 2 3 the 6 minus 6 and 2 8 the 16, 3 minus लास्ट स्टेप में आपने इसे सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, 3 सब्ट्रैक्ट 0 माइनस 6 माइनस 14, 9 सब्ट्रैक्ट माइनस इनटू माइनस 6 माइनस माइनस प्लस, सब्ट्रैक्ट को सब्ट्रैक्ट से माइनस को माइनस से जब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे आप इक्वल टू प्लस, 12 minus 16, 3 minus 20, 15 minus 4. And the last question, question number 7, second last question, if 2 equal to 4 minus 3a plus 3 into 1b 8 minus 4 equal 7 10 18 1, find the value, then find a and b. Solution 2 into 2 4 minus 3a plus 3 1b 8 minus 4 equals 7 10 18 1. Left hand side 2 into 2 4 minus 3a plus 3 1b 8 minus 4. 2 multiplied by 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 2 3 the 6 minus 6 and 2 4 2 multiplied by a. 7 plus 8, 8 plus 3b 18, 2a plus minus minus and 3 4 the 12 minus 12. By equating it with right hand side we have 7 8 plus 3b 18, 2a plus minus 12 equals 7 10 18 1. By comparing corresponding elements, 8 plus 3b equal 10, 3b equal 10 minus 8, 3b equal 2, b equal 2 over 3, 2a minus 12 equal 1, 2a equal 1 plus 12, 2a equal 13, a equal 13 over 2. From equations 1 and 2 we get the answer, a equal 13 over 2 and b equal 2 over 3. Next question, question number 8. Question number 8, as it is a plus b, जब अब a plus b वैल्यू 2 3 2 1 कर लेंगे तो हम इसका ट्रांसपोज ले लेंगे, कॉलम्स को हम रो में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे 2 2 3 1. इस तरह राइट हैंड साइड a ट्रांसपोज b ट्रांसपोज. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल a 2 0 1 1 1 2 0. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम इसका ट्रांसपोज जो है वो टेकिंग द ट्रांसपोज ओनली टू साइड्स 1 0 0 1 1 2 1 0, 1 plus 1 0 plus 2 2 plus 1 1 plus 0 2 1 3 2 2 and 3 1. Same as it is part 3 as prove a plus a ट्रांसपोज इज सिमेट्रिक मैटर 2 2 एंड जब सेम आपकी वैल्यूज होगी तो नाउ विल बी टेक ट्रांसपोज a plus a whole transpose from 1 and 2 it prove that so it is symmetric matrix. Question number 8, if a equal 1 2 0 1 b equal 1 1 2 0 then verify that to prove a minus a transpose skew symmetric 1 2 0 1 minus 1 2 0 1 transpose 1 2 0 1 minus 1 0 2 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 0 0 minus 2 1 minus 1 0 2 minus 2 0. Now we will take transpose a minus a transpose 0 2 minus 2 0 transpose 0 minus 2 2 0 minus 1 multiply by 0 multiply by 2 multiply by minus 2 multiply by 0 minus a whole transpose a minus a transpose is a skew matrix. And the next exercise, exercise 1.4, which of the following product of the matrix conformable for the multiplication 0 minus 1 0 2 minus 2 over 3 and the value of part number 2 3 4 and 5. Solution: two matrices are conformable for multiplication if the numbers of column A of the first matrix are equal to number of rows of second matrix. So according to this definition is conformable for multiplication for because of the first matrix has two columns and the second matrix has same number of rows, and the part 5 is conformable for addition, and the last part 5 is conformable for multiplication because the first matrix has 3 columns and the second matrix has same order of 2. Question number 2, a equal 3 0 minus 1 2 b equal 6 5. Find a b b a if possible. Solution: a b 3 0 minus 1 2 multiply by 6 or 5, 3 multiply by 6 and 3 multiply by 6 0 multiply by 5 minus 1 multiply by 6 2 multiply by 5 3 6 are 18 0 multiply by 0 5 are 0 minus 1 multiply by 1 6 are 6 minus 6 and plus 2 multiply by 5 2 5 are 10 18 plus 0 18 10 minus 6 equal 4. So AB equal 18 and 4. The second step of BA is not possible because number of column of B is not equal to number of rows of A. Next question, question number 3. Find the following products 1 2 4 0 1 multiply by 4 2 multiply by 0 4 plus 0 4 1 2 4 0 equal 4 1 2 minus 3 0 6 minus 1 4 0 0 minus 4 1 multiply by 4 plus 2 multiply by 0 minus 3 multiply by 4 plus 0 multiply by 0 6 multiply by 4 plus minus 1 multiply by 0 4 plus 0 5 plus minus 8 minus 12 plus 0 minus 15 plus 0 24 plus 0 30 plus 4 4 plus 0 4 plus minus minus 5 minus 8 minus 3 minus 12 plus 0 minus 12 minus 15 plus 0 minus 15 24 plus 0 24 and 30 plus 4 equal 34. And the next question, question number 4, multiply the following matrix 2 3 1 1 0 minus 2 2 minus 1 3 0 2 multiply by 2 plus 3 multiply by 3 1 multiply by 2 plus 1 multiply by 3 2 multiply minus 1 3 multiply by 0 1 multiply by minus 1 1 multiply by 0 and 0 multiply minus 1 minus 2 multiply by 0 2 to the 4 plus 3 3 the 9 1 to the 2 1 3 the 3 2 0 0 plus minus minus 3 to the minus 6 2 1s are 2 minus 2 plus 6 minus 3 multiply by 0 0 and 0 multiply minus 1 0 minus 2 multiply by 0 minus 2 multiply by 0 2 zeros are 0 13 minus 2 5 minus 1 minus 6 0. So 2 3 1 1 0 minus 2 2 minus 1 3 0 13 minus 2 5 minus 1 minus 6 0. And the last step of D as it is question number 4 A part and D part 8 5 6 4 minus 2 minus 5 by 2 minus 4 multiply 4 8 multiply by 2 and 5 multiply minus 4 8 multiply by 2 5 multiply by minus 4 8 multiply by minus 5 by 2 and 5 multiply by 4. Next 5 multiply by 2 and 6 multiply by 2 4 multiplied by minus 4, 6 multiplied by minus 5 by 2, and 4 multiplied by 4. The value of 16 minus 20, 8 to the 16, and 5 for the 20, and 8 5 the 2 4 the 8 cancel, 4 8 cancel, 4 5 the 20 minus 20 plus 25 for the 26 to the 12 plus 4 4 the 16, 12 minus 16, and the value of 2 3 the 6, 6 cancel, divide 2 3 the 6, 3 3 5 the 15 plus 4 4 the 16, minus 4 0 minus 4 1, so 8 5 6 4 and 2 minus 5 equal to minus 4 0 4 1 is your answer. Next question, question number 5. Let a equal minus 1 3 2 0, b equal 1 2 minus 3 minus 5, and c equal 2 1 1 3. Verify whether a b c equal a b equal c. Let left hand side a b c minus 1 3 2 0 1 2 minus 3 minus 5 multiply by 2 1 1 3, and the whole multiplication, the value of minus 1 3 2 0 multiply by 4 multiply by 7 minus 11 multiply by 18 minus 1 multiply by 4 3 multiply by minus 11 and minus 1 multiply by 7 and 3 multiply by 18 and 2 multiply by 4 0 multiply by minus 11 and 2 multiply by 7 and 0 multiply by minus 18, minus 4 minus 33 minus 7 minus 54, the value of minus 37 minus 61, 8 and 4 minus 33 minus 4 minus 37 minus 54 minus 77 minus 61, 8 plus 0 8, 90 plus 14 ऐड करना बेटा, 14 plus 90 and 90 plus 10 100 104, the value of 104. Okay, next question, part number 3, question 5. A b plus c equal a b plus a c. A into b plus c, minus 1 3 2 0 1 2 minus 3 minus 5 plus 2 1 1 3, 1 multiply by 3 and 1 3 2 0 multiply 3 3 minus 2 2. The value of right hand side a multiply b and a multiply by c, a multiply b and a multiply by c. When we bought the value of multiply, we get the answer minus 10 plus 1 17 plus 8 2 plus 4 4 plus 2 minus 9 minus 6 6. From a and 1 and 2, it is proved to that left hand side equal to right hand side. Next question, question number 6. Question number 6. For the matrix A equal minus 1 3 2 0, B equal 1 2 minus 3 0, and C the value of all. A multiply B whole transpose, B transpose multiply by A transpose, A multiply B, the value of A and the value of B. The whole value both multiply, we get the answer minus 10 minus 17 2 4 minus 10 2, और अब इसका हम ट्रांसपोज ले लेंगे. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द वैल्यू ऑफ ट्रांसपोज minus 1 minus 17, इसको रोज कन्वर्ट इनटू कॉलम्स minus 1 minus 17 and 2 plus 4. B transpose multiply by A transpose, first of all we convert into rows into column. 1 2 minus 3 5 and column into rows. 1 minus 3 2 minus 5 and minus 1 2 minus 1 2 3 0. We both the multiply, we get the answer minus 10 2 minus 17 4. Hence prove that left hand side equal to right hand side. Next exercise number 1.5. Find the determinant of the following: A equal minus 1 1 and 2 0. Determinant of the matrix A calculated is A equal determinant A minus 1 1 2 0 minus 1 multiplied by 0 minus 2 multiplied by 1 0 minus 2 equal to minus 2. D equal 3 2 1 4. Determinant of the matrix D calculated, D determinant 3 multiplied 4 minus determinant की value and 1 multiplied by 2 2 multiplied 1 2 1 are 2 3 4 are 12 minus 2 1 are 2, 12 minus 2 equal to 10, and the whole value as it is singular matrix and non singular matrix. जो equal to value 0 होगी वो singular matrix होगा, जो not equal to 0 होगा वो non singular matrix होगा. 20 minus 20 equal 0, singular matrix. And the value of next, find each the multiplicative inverse if it exists of each. A equal minus 1 3 2 0. The multiplicative inverse of matrix A is calculated as A inverse adjoint over A determinant 0 minus 3 minus 2 1 minus 3 -1 -3 2 0 -1 multiplied by 0 and -2 multiplied by 3 0 -6. Since it has noun singular matrix, therefore solution it possible 0 -3 -2 -1 6, 0 over -6 -3 over -6 -2 over -6. The A inverse 0 1 over 2 1 over 3 and 1 over 6. And the next step, fourth step, d equal 1 by 2 over 1 3 by 4 over 2. Adjoint the value 2 3 minus 3 by 4 minus 1 1 over 2 1 over 2 3 by 4 and 1 equal to 2. And the value of sign change and the उसकी प्लेसेस चेंज कर देंगे हम. d इक्वल 1 ओवर 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 -1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 बाय 2 1 प्लस 3 बाय 4 4 minus 3 over 4 equal 1 over 4 not equal to 0. Since it is non singular matrix, therefore solution is possible. 2 3 by 4 d1 -1 1 by 2 1 over 4 2 multiply 4 minus 3 over 4 multiply by 4 1 multiply 4 1 over 2 multiply by 4 2 4 are 8 and minus 3 4 3 are 12 minus 12 over 4 4 3 are 12 minus 3 and 4 1s are 4 minus 4 and 2 2s are 4 cancel 4 cancel 2 1s are 2 8 minus 3 minus 4 and the value of 2. Next question, question number 4. Question number 4, a equal 1 2 4 6 and b equal 3 minus 1 2 minus 2. Then solution a equal 1 2 4 6, a value adjoint a multiplied by a, determinant a the value. First of all adjoint the value 6 minus 2 4 1 6 2 हम 6 and 1 हम सब फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इनकी प्लेसेस चेंज करेंगे 1 6 हो जाएगा जिनके साइन है इस वैल्यू के हम इनके साइन चेंज कर देंगे तो 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6 minus 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 6 minus 8 equal minus 2 is determinant. And the adjoint को मल्टीप्लाई बाय हम a से we adjoint multiply by a we get the answer minus 2 0 0 minus 2 and adjoint a first of all adjoint then the value of a minus 2 0 and 0 minus 2 as it is and determinant a multiply by inverse minus 2 multiply 1 0 multiply by 1 0 and the minus 2 0 0 minus 2 adjoint a equal first of all the value of hence prove that left hand side equal to right hand side. Next question, question number 6, a equal 4 0 minus 1 2 b equal minus 4 minus 2 1 minus 1 d equal 3 1 minus 2 2 d inverse a inverse d inverse. First of all d multiply by a, the value of d and multiply a we both multiply we get the answer 11 2 and minus 10 4 d a inverse adjoint over da and determinant of da. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 11 4 इनकी प्लेस चेंज करेंगे 4 11 minus 2 plus 10 minus 2 plus 10 11 2 minus 10 4 over minus 11 multiply 4 11 4 is 44 minus minus plus 10 2 is 20 44 plus 20 equals 64. Next question, determinant dA inverse 4 minus 2 10 11 over 64 4 over 64 minus 2 over 64 10 over 64 11 over 64 1 over 16 minus 1 over 32 5 over 32 and 11 over 64 and whole value is the same as its question carry on. Next question, exercise 1.6 question number 1, use matrix if possible to solve the system of linear equation. The matrix inversion method, the Cramer rule, 2x minus 2y equal 4 3x plus 2y equal 6. First of all the coefficient 2 minus 2 3 2 xy equal 4 6. The coefficient matrix 2 minus 2 3 2 is non-singular because determinants 2 minus 2 3 2 2 multiplied by 2 2 to the 4 minus 3 to the 6 and the value 4 plus 6 equal 10 and xy m inverse 1 4 6 1 over m adjoint equal 4 6 1 over 10 2 2 minus 3 2 4 6 1 over 10 2 multiply 4 plus 2 multiply by 6 minus 3 multiply by 4 plus 2 multiply by 6 1 over 10 8 multiply 8 plus 12 minus 12 plus 12 1 over 10 equal 12 plus 8 equal 20 and minus 12 plus 12 equal 0 2 to 0. The value of x 2 and the value of y equal to 0 and the next step, fourth step, 3x minus 2y equal minus 6 5x minus 2y equal minus 10. The 3 minus 2 5 minus 2 and the value of x and y minus 6 minus 10 a equal 3 minus 2 5 minus 2 and 3 to the 6 minus 6 and 5 to the 10 minus minus plus 10 and the value of minus 6 multiply minus 2 and minus minus plus 10 to the 20, 12 minus 20 equal minus 8. A by 3 minus 6 5 minus 8 equal 3 multiply minus 10 minus 5 multiply by 6 minus 30 plus 30 ax over 8. A determinant minus 8 over 4, 4 to the 8 minus 2, y the value of 2, x value 2, minus 2 equal 4 0 0, y equal to 0. And next question, use matrix if possible to solve the following system. Simple value of 4x plus y equal 9, as it is question number, the value of x and the value of y. Next question, question number 2. Question number 2 method, the length of the rectangle is 4 lines, its width, the perimeter of the rectangle is 150 centimeter. Find the dimensions of the rectangle. First of all, inversion method, inversion method, x equal 4y, x minus 4y equal to 0, perimeter 150 centimeter, perimeter 2x plus y, perimeter length plus width multiply by 2 equal to perimeter, length plus width multiply by 2 equal to perimeter. Formula, x plus y equals 75. By solving 1 and 2 we get the answer 1 minus 4 1 1 xy equals 0 75. The coefficient matrix M 1 minus 4 1 1 is non-singular because 1 minus 4 1 1 1 multiple 1 minus 1 multiple minus 4, 1 plus 4 equal 5 not equal to 0, x over y M minus 1 0 75. The whole value of second matrix x equal 60 y equal 15, होल वैल्यू 1/5 से वैल्यू इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, लेंथ इक्वल 60 आ जाएगी, विड्थ इक्वल 15 सेंटीमीटर आ जाएगी. मेथड 2 बाय क्रैमर रूल, x माइनस 4y इक्वल 4, x प्लस y इक्वल 8, 1 माइनस 4 इक्वल x, 1 माइनस 1 1 1 xy इक्वल 0 to 75, 1 माइनस 4 1 and 1 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय माइनस 4, 1 1 जा 1 and माइनस 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 1 1 जा 1 and माइनस माइनस प्लस 4 1 जा 4, 4 प्लस 1 इक्वल 5 0. सेम एज इट इज, जिस तरह a की वैल्यू का हमने डिटर्मिनेंट फाइंड किया, ए एक्स का भी डिटर्मिनेंट फाइंड कर लेंगे, ए वाई का भी हम डिटर्मिनेंट ही फाइंड करेंगे एज इट इज. एंड ए एक्स over a determinant and a y over a determinant. Ax value 300 over 5 and a y over 75 over 5. 5 6 are 30, 60, x equal 60 and y equal 5, 1 are 5 to carry 5 5 are 5, 15 are 75 and y equal 15. Length equal 60 centimeter and width equal 15 centimeter. Next question, question number 3. Two sides the rectangle difference by 3.5 centimeter. Find the dimension of the rectangle and its perimeter is 67. Length of the rectangle, first of all inversion method, x and the width of y हम two values suppose करेंगे, x and y. x को हम जो है वो लेंथ कंसीडर करेंगे and y जो है वो हम विड्थ कंसीडर करेंगे. अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन कंडीशन x माइनस वाई इक्वल 3.5, 10x माइनस 10y इक्वल 35. पॉइंट हम इसका पॉइंट जो है जब हम इसका एंड करेंगे, पॉइंट फिनिश करेंगे तो हम 10x 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, 10x माइनस 10y क्यों करेंगे, पॉइंट की जब 1 जितने डिजिट होंगे वो 0 आ जाएगा, 10 आ जाएगा, 10 होल वैल्यू 10 मल्टीप्लाई बाय ऑन बोथ साइड्स, 10x माइनस 10y इक्वल 35, 2x प्लस 2y इक्वल 65 and the value of determinant 20 plus 20 equal 40 not equal to 0. So M is not a singular matrix. अगर ये इक्वल टू 0 होगा बेटा तो ये सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स होगा, अगर सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स होगा तो नेक्स्ट सॉल्व नहीं होगा, अगर नॉन सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स है फिर नेक्स्ट सॉल्व होगा. M इनवर्स 35 और 67, 35 और 67 1 over 40, 2 over 10, 2 10 minus 2 10, 35 और 67, 2 multiplied by 35 plus 10 multiplied by 67 minus 2 multiplied by 35 plus 10 multiplied by 67. As it is question number 1, question number 2. Okay, 1 over 40, 740 over 600 equal 18.5 equal to 15, x equal 18.5 and y equal 15. Length is x 18.5 centimeter and width is y equal 15 centimeter. The second method of the by Cramer rule, 10x minus 10y, 10x minus 10y equal 2 or 2, value 30, 10 minus 10 2 plus 2, 10 minus 10 2, 20 plus 20 equal 40, 10 minus 10 2, 10 minus 10 2, 35 multiply by 2 minus multiply by minus 67, 70 multiply plus 667, 740. ay as it is, जब हमने a का डिटर्मिनेंट फाइंड करेंगे, फिर a x का डिटर्मिनेंट फाइंड करेंगे, फिर हम a y का डिटर्मिनेंट फाइंड करें, देन आप ए वाई डिटर्मिनेंट फाइंड करेंगे, फिर x इक्वल ए वाई ओवर ए डिटर्मिनेंट, ए एक्स ओवर ए डिटर्मिनेंट एंड ए वाई ओवर ए डिटर्मिनेंट, 740 over 40 and 600 over 40 over 40, and the value of x 18.5 and the y value equal 15. Next question, question number 4. The third angle of the isosceles triangle is 16 degree less than the sum of the two equal angles. Find three angles of the triangle. Solution. Method 1, matrix inverse method. Let each equal angle be x and the third angle y. 2x minus 16 equal y, 2x minus y equal 16, 2x plus y equal 180, 2 minus 1, 2 1 xy over 16 over 180. The coefficient matrix m 2 minus 1 2 1 is non-singular because determinant m 2 minus 1 2 1 2 multiply 1, as it is question number 1 2 and 3. The value of x equal 49 and y equal 82, x plus y plus z equal 180, 49 plus 82 plus z equal 180, z equal 180 minus 49 minus 82 equal 49. Second step equal to x equal 49 and y equal 82. Method 2 by Cramer rule, 2x minus y equal 16, 2x plus y equal 180. First of all, a determinant, then a x determinant, then y a y determinant and a determinant. The value of x equal 49, a x plus y plus z, 180, 49 plus 82 plus 180, 180 minus 49 minus 82 equal to 49. So the angle of 49 degree, 49 degree and 82. Next question, question number 5. One acute angle of right triangle is 12 degree more than twice the other acute angle. Find the acute angle of the right triangle. Method 1, inversion method. Let two angles of x degree and y degree, 2x plus 12 equal y, 2x minus y equal 12 and x plus y equal 90. X plus y equal 92, x minus 2x plus y, 2x plus y, 2x minus y equal x 2 minus 1, and simple y equal, consider the value of minus 1, minus y equal to minus 1 and 1, 2x minus y, the value x plus y, 1 plus 1 equal to 90, and the coefficient of 2 minus 1 1. First of all determinant 2 1s are 2 and 1 1s are 1 minus, and determinant का minus 1, 1 plus 1, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 equal 3, 3m inverse 12 over minus 12 over 90. First of all adjoin the matrix, adjoin minus 12 over 90, 12 1 1 minus 1 over 2, 1 over 3, the value 1 over 3 multiplied by minus 12 plus 1 multiplied by 90, 1 over minus 12 plus 12, 1 over 87 minus 12 plus 98, 78 and 18 plus 180 192 equal 1 over 3 से जब डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमारे पास वैल्यू 26 से 64 आएगी. x इक्वल 26 एंड y इक्वल टू 64. मेथड 2 बाय क्रैमर रूल, as it is 2x minus y equal 12, x plus y equal 90, 2 minus 1 2 1 1 x over y. First of all whole value is same, a determinant, then a x value, a x में minus 12 and 90 and second value minus 1 and 1, and a y में first of all 2 and 1 and second value minus 12 or 90, then the determinant of the a y 90 minus 1 and 12 and 2, 90 multiply by 2, 92 are 180 and minus 1 multiply by 2, minus plus minus 1 12 are 12 minus 1 and 92 are 180 minus minus plus 12 1s are 12, 180 plus 12 equal 192. X equal 78 over 3 equal 26, y equal 192 over 3 equal 64, x equal 26 and y equal 64. And the last question, question number 6. Two cars that are 600 kilometer apart are moving towards each other. Their speed differ by 6 kilometer per hour and the cars are 123 kilometer apart after 4 by 1 over 2 hours. Find the speed of each car. Matrix inversion method. Let the speed of two cars be x kilometer h and y kilometer per hour. X minus y equals 6. 4 into distance 4 by 1 over 2 plus 4 by 1 over 2, y equal 477, 4 to the 8 plus 1, 9 by 2 plus 9 over 2, y equal 477, x over 2 plus x over y over 2 equal 53 or x plus y equal 106. The two equations are 1 and 2. 1 minus 1 1 1 x y are 6 106. The coefficient matrix 1 minus 1 1 is non-singular because determinant 1 minus 1 1 1 equal 1 multiply 1 minus 1 and 1 plus 1 equal to 2. X y m equal m minus 1 6 over 106 and 1 over m adjoint m 6 over 106. The value 1 over 2 1 1 minus 1 1 6 over 106, 1 multiplied by 6 plus 106 minus 1 multiplied by 6 plus 106, 1 over 2 6 plus 106. The whole value 112 or 100. The value of 56, 5 to the 10 2 carry, 5 to the 10 1 carry 12, 5 6 value 56 and 50. 100 से जब आप इसको 1 by 5 से इसे डिवाइड कर देंगे तो सेकंड मेथड x equal 56 and y equal 50 is your answer. The second method by Cramer rule, x minus y equals 6, x plus y 106, 1 minus 1 1 plus 1 6 and 106, 1 minus 1 1 plus 1 1 minus 1 and 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 equal to 2 not equal to 0 is a non-singular matrix. Ax 6 minus 1 106 1. First of all value 6 106 and 1 1 and the ax value and ay value 1 minus 1 and 6 106. 6 multiply 1 616 minus minus plus 106 multiply 106 equal 112. Ay 16106 1 multiply by 106 minus plus 1 minus 6 1 6 6 1 6 106 minus 6 equal 100. Ax over a determinant 112 over 2 equal 56. ये by mistakenly 5 है, यहाँ पे 2 आएगा बेटा. And the value of 100 over 5 100 over 2 2 5s are 10 0 2 5s are 10 0. X equal 56 y equal 50. The speed of the two cars 56 kilometer per hour and 50 kilometer per hour. The whole unit is completed. This is all for today. Thank you class. This value is the whole question is complete. Question number 1 is completed. Okay class, this is all for today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.